Well, it is getting more dire in Leafs land now. Leafs lose 4-1 to the Colorado Avalanche in the rematch of last week. Pathetic effort. Down 2-0 after the first. Brock Nelson scoring both of them. Outshot 18-6. A ratio of 3-1. And down 3-0 going into the third. William Nylander flipping the bird from the press box. Why don't you use that anger on the ice against the opponent instead of doing it from the press box? Yeah, I don't think they're making the playoffs this year. They're not a good hockey team. They look like a very disconnected team. They've played well in spurts. They had that 8-0-2 stretch, but it's just the same effort every game now. So, yeah.